Hello everybody, so I have another video of when my vacuums to show off. It's another Hoover. It's my Hoover Whole House Elite bagless vacuum with wind tunnel technology. Got this a few years ago at Walmart. I don't know if they still sell it or not. Maybe they do, but I'm not sure. But anyways, I got this a few years ago at Walmart. I think it's a $80-$90 vacuum, maybe $100, I forgot, but yeah, I got it at Walmart. It does a good job. There are things that I do and do not like about it. So yeah. Anyway, so you have your 5 adjustments from hardwood floor to low carpet, all the way to high. You have a clear brush roll see-through, and it says wind tunnel 2 channels of suction. Then you have your foot release right here to turn off the brushable for hardwood floor, and then turn back on for carpet. Now under here it has a filter, HEPA filter, so you catch on this, pull it out, and there you go. As you see. Now, this is the thing I hate. I have heard no other problems with it except mine. But my filter casing always wants to come out. If I use it just a little while ago, if I was using a few seconds, it'll start slowly coming out like that. And that's ridiculous. And it's in all the way too. So that makes no sense. So that thing is one thing I hate so far. The Cordy line is better on this model than the Hoover Wind Tunnel Prep Pro. So as you see, I'm gonna pull the whole thing out. Well, a little bit out. So you pull it and then see how much better it is. So the retractor's on here, and or not. Core got tangled up, but as you see, it's basically better. Then you have your dust cup up here, so you release it right here with this gray button. Here's your canister with the filter inside that is washable. Up here you have a filter check indicator as usual. So if red, rinse filter, empty dirt cup, check for clogs. So this is from green to red, if that ever happens. The tools you get with this, obviously, you get a air-driven turbine brush. Where is this turbo brush from? I don't know if it's from this one or not, but it's all scratched up. I don't know. Anyway, that stores on the side. Then this side you have a wand, crevice extension wand that extends out, a crevice tool. You see it pulls out a crevice tool. If I can get the, my gosh, the crevice tool's dirty. Come on, Owen. This ain't funny. Oh, God, this thing's a pain in the butt. Anyways, there's your wand, and then you have this dusting brush tool. That, for crying out loud, but come on, it comes off. But as you see, you can extend it and stuff like that. That's like how the Whole House Elite. And on the back, you have your stretch hose, so you release it down here. And then there's your stretch hose. Really a decent stretch hose. Underneath, you have your brush roll with very stiff bristles on it, which is good. What's another thing I don't like? Oh yeah, the top filter up there I just showed you, it gets dirty easily. So yeah, and then foot release down here. You can see it releases the machine, clicks back in, and then your on-off switch is back here. So yeah, any further ado, let me plug it in and demonstrate it for you guys. here we go. So anyways, it does a pretty good job. As you can see, the filter casing is starting to come out. So yeah. So yeah, just another view of my vacuums, my Hoover Whole House Elite with Untitled technology. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn my post notifications. Stay tuned for more videos from me, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.